from the neck to this point. I say that's why I said I got what I'm saying. But if this is hybrid or heterogram, for hybrid and heterogram,
So this is our practical session after our 2 hours intensive class. We are demonstrating how to feed your fish, and this is a proper way to how to feed. Don't overpour the field. Give them moderate so that they will not leave leftover, because the leftover will pollute the water.
You don't see fish.
Yes. Yeah, fish. I'm seeing. I'm not seeing fish. They're okay. They're coming up.
They don't come make a video them.
Huh?
This is fish farm.
They are coming up. See the other one with big heads, picking sharp.
Wow. It is well.
It's good.
So it's a nice one.
I think this should be enough. You can see it very clear.
Start from what
we are all graduates here. Don't think they are fishermen with level. Fishermen with level.
So what you're watching right now are committed set of core members that choose to practice what they are being taught in the camp. And I would like you to understand that this is just the practical way of waging war against unemployment, and I assure you that before the service here, they'll be well equipped with this fish farming skill, and they're going to be able to start something on their own. I wish them well, and I encourage them to be strong in whatever they are doing. So this is a nice one. What they're actually doing is sorting. They're sorting the fish they are training, and they were able to get juvenile, and they choose to train them on their own to acquire life practical skills on how to manage fish from juvenile to table size. Alright, so I wish you all the best. If you're here to subscribe to our channel, feel free so I can be getting updates of what they are doing, and we'll also encourage other core members to do likewise. Thank you for being part of this community.